Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Standard 4th, EVS 1, Chapter number 23, Natural Disasters. Let's start with it. First one they had given here, can you tell? Which frightening natural events can be seen in the pictures below? Here you can see the two pictures they had given. We have to find out which frightening natural events are shown in these two pictures. If you observe the first picture, it is related to volcanic eruption, and the second one, it is related to cyclone. So these are the two pictures which are shown in your textbook. Let's see the next one. Can you tell? Full spade. It may even overflows its bank and enter nearby settlements. What is the name given to such a rise in the level of river water? So, if you will see, we call it as flood, which enters nearby settlements during heavy rain or during the rainy season. Name two places in Maharashtra where earthquakes have occurred. If you will see, we will get the answer that for this question. In Maharashtra, there are two places where the earthquakes had been taken place or which had been occurred in that places are Latur and Koina-Nagar. These are the two places where earthquakes had occurred. An earthquake under the sea gives rise to very high waves. What are these gigantic waves called? So, the very high waves or the gigantic waves, it is known as tsunami. What is tsunami? That is also we are going to see in this chapter. Let's see the next content, natural disasters. Many a time we hear of serious mishaps. An earthquake happen here, a flood occur somewhere else. A storm occurs in one place. Another place is struck by lightning. There can be a landslide or a hailstorm. So these are the different situations or natural disasters or natural events which occurred in different parts of our country, not in our different parts of our country but also in all over the world. So these are the natural disaster which creates a mishap, a trouble to the events. In these incidents, several people are injured. Some even lost their lives. Houses collapse, animals die, standing crops get destroyed. There is great damage to property. Day-to-day life is disturbed. It takes several days for life to get back to normal. So, these are the different problems which occurs due to natural disasters. Natural disaster are the disasters which occurred naturally. They come under this natural disasters. So what are the problems? Here some people they get injured, some people they die in this incident, many people's houses they collapse them, and different animals they die during this calamity or during this disaster. Different standing crops, the farmers' fields, they get totally destroyed, and damage to different properties like any business or any industry, factory, and also the day-to-day life it get disturbed. The transportation get stopped. So due to which these are the all situation which takes place due to the natural disaster, due to volcanic eruption, due to tsunami, due to flood, or due to cyclone, or due to earthquakes. So these all the reasons due to which a trouble can be created in humans' life naturally, and it can be taken a long time to make it a normal life for the human being. crops and other properties destroyed, houses collapse. So this all situation creates in a disaster. So disaster, it means that to disturb the life of human being or to disturb the normal life, and a lot of property or lot of money wastage is done during this disasters. These and some other mishaps have natural causes. They are called natural disasters. We do not have enough knowledge about when and where they might happen, and it is impossible for us to prevent them. We must not get frightened by such disasters. Instead, it is more useful to find out how to face such a disaster if it happens. Yes, this is the important thing. If any different or any natural disaster occurs, in that situation, they are unknown or no enough knowledge is about them, which can tell us that when the disaster will take place or when it will be stopped. So some disaster, it gives a prior intimation, but some disaster, it is a natural one. No any messages will be provided by any instrument. So this type of disasters can be there. So this, instead of frightening or instead of being fear for this disaster, we have to start fighting, or how we have to start preventing ourselves for this disaster. Untimely rains. In our country, we get rain is called the monsoon or the rainy season. Yes, we know. In Maharashtra, in June, July, August and in September, in these 4 months, we call it as a rainy season. And in all over the country, the rainy season, it occurs in these 4 months. And this period is called as monsoon or the rainy season. In Maharashtra, on some day before the start of the rainy season, the sky suddenly gets overcast. There is lightning and thunder. It rains heavily for a short while. These are called pre-monsoon showers. So as before the rainy season, as before starting the rainy season, this type of things we had observed in sky, that suddenly it start lightning and the thunder starts, wind start blowing, or it starts raining heavily suddenly and for a short period only. And this type of monsoon is known as pre-monsoon showers, or we call it as a pre-monsoon showers, which takes place before the season comes. However, when it rains at other times beside the monsoon or pre-monsoon period, such rain is said to be untimely rain. So as sometimes we observe, in summer season it starts raining, in winter season it starts raining. So this rain, it is known as untimely rain. Untimely rain comes without warning. When we least expect it, people who have left their houses without umbrellas and raincoats have to run helter-skelter for shelter, or they have to get soaked in the rain. So these are the situation if the untimely rain comes. So it creates So last option is with them to soak with the rain only and to run for the shelter. But untimely rain can also cause serious damage. People grow winter crops. Occasionally light showers are good for this crop, but if it rains too much, fields get waterlogged and the crop may rot, causing such loss. So as untimely rain, if it gets heavily rain, so it will give bad effect on the fields or for the farmers. The crops will fall or damage for the crops will be also taken place in this situation. If the rain is occasionally and a little shower is there, so it is good for the crop. Often a hailstorm accompanies with untimely rains. Severe health causes injuries to people and animals. It shatters roof tiles. it can damage crops in fields and fruits in orchards. So, as not only for the crops but also fruits and different flowers, it damages the hailstorms and also the untimely rains. Different severe health causes injuries to peoples also and for the animals. So, the hailstorms and untimely rains, it gives bad effect to human beings also and for the animals also. If mango trees are in blossom at that time, the blossoms may rot or fall off. This lead to a fall in mango production. So, as if this type of hailstorms will be taken place, in that situation, the blossoms which is to be taken by the trees, it will get fall, and it will decrease the production of any fruit or any flower. And continuously for 3 or 4 days. The rainwater does not drain away. This causes the level of water in a river to rise. That is, the river gets flooded. If it does not stop raining, settlements on its banks can also get flooded. So this is the reason that sometimes what happens that during the monsoon season, the rain starts falling heavily and continuously for more than 2 or 3 days or more than 4 days. So this situation which creates that the rainwater, it does not drain in underground water or underground, due to which it creates a blockage and the river water, it gets rise and which creates flood. And if it does not stop raining, the settlements on its bank can also get flooded. In this situation, the water of the river, it will get inside of the settlements where the human beings are living, and it will maybe create a difficulty for the human settlement life which are beside that river. Mud houses or the river sides collapse during the flood. People and animals may die due to drawing. Flooding of settlements causes problems in everyday life. So during this period, if the flood gets overflowed from the rivers, at that time the mud houses, it gets collapsed, and many people and many animals, they die during this period. Flooding of settlements causes problems to everyday life. The medical facilities are unavailable at that time. The mobile connections, it get damaged, and the connection at such times. We should go to a safe place at a height and some back only when the flood water is. So in this situation, if the flood gets started in any area, at that time we have to go to a height place where the water cannot reach, and when the water get totally drained, at that time only we have to back to our place. So this is the solution during flood. What we can do: the current of flood waters is very strong. It is dangerous to swim in flood water. So when it is flood, or in any village if the flood is there, at that time we should not have to try to swim in that water. So it may damage our life, or our life will be destroyed, or we can met to a death. Earthquakes. Sometimes the rocks in the bowls of the river move. As a result, waves are produced in the layers of rock. So this is the situation when the bowls of the earth, it gets moved into the rocks, and as a result, waves are produced during this layer of rock. And if a stone is thrown into a pool of still water, we see circular ripples. As picture shown what is mean by ripple. Around it, they move to the edge of the pool. After some time, the waves settle and the water becomes still as before. Exactly the same kind of waves are produced inside the earth. For a few seconds, the ground shakes, that is the earthquake. Then everything quietens down again. Where the earthquake occurs, buildings are shaken, things inside the house are under the hips and get injured or even lost their life. The most damage occurs near the center of the earthquake. An earthquake also causes injuries or death of animals we keep. So as these are the situation, earthquake, it is a type like when we throw a stone into a water, a repulsion is created, a circular ripple we can see. So that type only during the layers which is under the earth, it gets collapsed to each other, and due to which this within a second the ground starts shaking, and that is only known as a earthquake. And in this period, after some time it will get stopped, but it creates the damage to earth, our ground, also to different buildings they collapse down, different people they die in this incident, some whatever the material we kept in our house, it get fallen, some people maybe under the hip of the buildings, or maybe they got trapped under the hips. Many people they get injured, and again where the center of the earthquake is there many losses are seen in that part. An earthquake also causes injuries or death of animals we keep. Also, yes, not only it harms to the human beings, but also the animals which we keep with us, it gets damage to them also, or it get injured to the animals also. Means during the earthquake, not only the human beings are injured, but animals and birds are also get injured. When an earthquake occur, one so as soon as we feel the earthquake, we should go under a strong bed or table, or stand under a door frame. This can prevent injuries from falling objects. Yes, this is the solution, that when any earthquake occurs, if you feel that this is earthquake, what we have to do, you should not have to be panic, and you have to because it is for only few seconds. So after that few seconds it will get stopped, but you have to protect yourself. So you have to go under a table, or under your bed, or where the things are little like that sides you have to stand, so that the materials which will be falling on you will not injure you. So this all are preventions if you will take in that situation when the earthquake will take place. Do you know, if an earthquake occurs while you are at school, sit under your desk or bench. Once the quake stops, come out in a single file and gather together in the open school ground. Crowding, chaos and stampede can cause more damage than the quake itself. So as being panic, it will create more difficulty. So we should not have to be panic, and we have to try to protect ourselves. If we are in school at that time, what we have to do, we have to sit under our bench. Tsunami. If the origin of the earthquake is in the sea, it produces gigantic waves, sea waves. Each wave is the height of a 3 or 4 story building. When the limited waves cross the limit, it creates tsunami. The waves can be near about 2 to 3 floors of building. So this type of waves, when it creates, this type of waves are only known as a tsunami. With a force, it comes towards the coast and it again gets crashed down to the ground. If there are people living on the coast where a tsunami occurred, it causes much devastation. People or animal who came in the way of these waves are completely helpless. They drown and die. A tsunami comes with so much force with vehicle or the coast along with the people in them get thrown away to quite a distance. Vehicles are crushed, people inside get injured or die. The tsunami can also shatter houses and shops on the coast. Yes, this is the situation when the tsunami take place. In that situation where the coastline is near to the settlements, at that time the settlement it get totally destroyed. People's and animals loss can be seen, vehicles loss is seen. It throws the people with force, or it catches the animals or human beings, and different vehicles also with force it can be caught, and vehicles are crushed during this period. So this all are the disaster or different situations which occurs during the tsunami. In every city and district headquarters, there is a fixed drill to be followed in case of natural disaster. This is the situation. If any disaster occurs in that situation, with every district headquarter, there is a fixed drill which to be followed in if the disaster occurs. In that situation, a special trained volunteers are selected, and or soldiers, and by the help of the army or by the local people, the disaster can be controlled, or a help can be provided to the people where the disaster is taken place. Let's see what we had learned in this chapter. Rain that falls at time other than in the rainy season is called untimely rain. Fields become waterlogged and crops rot. Hailstorms may also occur with untimely rains. Hailstorms can injure people as well as animals. It damages crops and orchids. If it rains heavily during the rains, the level of water in the river rises. This is called a flood. Sometimes flood water enters areas where people are living. Houses collapse, people and animal drown and die. Every day, life becomes difficult. One should go to a place at a height till floods recede. Some movements in the bowels of the earth gives rise to waves. This is called an earthquake. It causes houses or to shake, things to fall down, houses collapse into heaps, people and animals get trapped in them and die. During an earthquake, one should sit under a table or bed or stand under a door frame. When an earthquake has its starting point in the sea, it gives rise to a gigantic waves. They are called tsunamis. If they reach the human settlements on the shores, they cause great fear. We must obtain information about natural disasters to learn how we can prevent the loss that they can cause. Yes, about flood, about tsunami, about earthquake, about the flood. We should have to know more about this. So through Google, if you want to know more about these disasters, you can go to Google and you can collect the information about flood, earthquake, tsunami, and you can collect the information how we can protect ourselves and others' life also. That's all for today. So in this way we had completed our today's chapter, that is natural disaster. Complete the given exercise, learn given question and answers, and prepare yourself for this semester exam. That's all for today. Thank you.